The cost to go through probate for most families is pretty significant. It is set forth in the probate code, and what appears in the probate code on the surface is a lot, but there's even more to it than what one would find in looking at the code. So, for example, when filing a petition to administer an estate through probate, attorney's fees that are deemed to be the minimum fees that are reasonable and necessary for the work and services provided by an attorney are a percentage of the value of the estate. Under the current code, it's amount equal to 4% of the first $100,000 in value of the estate, 3% of the second $100,000 of the estate, and then 2% up to the next $800,000 of an estate. If we take a really modest estate, let's say a $300,000 estate, we've got 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000. So we're upwards of around, just for the attorney's fees on a very simple estate, $9,000. Under the code, the administrator who's appointed by the court to do the actual day-to-day management in terms of bill paying and selling assets and estate liquidations and things like that receives an compensation equal to what the attorney is paid under the code. Again, a simple $300,000 estate, we're at $9,000 for the lawyer, $9,000 for the administrator, already up to $18,000. Now, the worst part that I mentioned then comes in because on top of that, the court charges a filing fee for every motion that is filed in the court or petition that's filed in the court. Unusual to the probate department of the court, that fee is charged at least in a large amount every time something happens. So, for example, under current law, petition filing fee is $435 to get the initial paperwork filed. If we have to sell real estate, we may need a motion to do that. So that's $435 again to the court. At some point in time in the case, there will be an accounting that has to be approved. So we have to file an accounting with the court and get a hearing for that. Again, another $435. There can easily be, $1,500, $2,000 in court filing fees just to pay the court for getting court orders that are necessary for the administration of the estate.